My name is Dr. Adamo Notarantonio. I'm a general dentist from Huntington, New York. I'm a partner in a practice called Huntington Bay Dental, where I've been practicing for 16 years. The most rewarding things that I do is changing people's smiles, both aesthetically and functionally, by restoring their mouth to health and beauty. I was fortunate enough to be introduced to BISCO products back in dental school. So one of the major benefits for me is that I've seen their results, the longevity, and the success over an extended period of time. Over the years, I have tried other products, but I've never really found any products that worked as consistently in my hands and showed me the same results as any of the BISCO products I have. One of the first products from BISCO I was introduced to was Choice 2 veneer cement. One of the main attractions for me is its low film thickness and its ability to keep my veneer in place when I placed it on the tooth. One of the other features that I love is its color stability over time. I've now seen veneers that I've inserted 15 plus years ago, and the veneer color is the same as the day I inserted it. In my early years with Choice 2 cement, the bonding agent of choice was All Bond 3. But one of the things that concerned me a little was how thick it was. And at times I had some concerns with maybe I wouldn't seat my veneer completely. With the advent of Albin Universal, my troubles disappeared. It's a much thinner bonding agent, and as a universal, its versatility allows me to use one bottle for any restoration type that I choose. BISCO's customer care and support is second to none. Anytime I call with a question, it's answered immediately with expertise and politeness. As far as I'm concerned, BISCO's products have made a major impact in the success of my practice and the restorations that I provide to my patients on a day-to-day basis.